Hello and welcome back to your own YouTube channel Med for All. In this video, I'll tell you how to operate a Fresenius hemodialysis machine that is 4008 model. I'll teach you how to operate a hemodialysis machine and I'll show you all the parts of a Fresenius hemodialysis machine. So first here we come. And on the top there is on and off button, and below on and off button there is option of cleaning, and in cleaning there are different maneuvers that you will be seen on the screen. That will be rinse, hot rinse, disinfection, hot rinse plus disinfection, and there are different indications of these maneuvers that I will cover in a separate video. And below the cleaning option there is single needle option that will be used in case of single needle dialysis, and most of the time it is not used here. And below this there is a option of test. If you wanna put your machine on different tests, that is conductivity, venous pressure, and temperature test, the machine can be put on test by this button. And below the test there is prime button. You can prime the hemodialysis circuit, extracorporeal circuit, with the help of this button. And below this is start or reset button. You can reset the machine with the help of this button. And below start or reset there is mute option. You can mute the alarm by this button. And below this there is start and stop button for the blood pump. The blood pump will start if you put this if you put on this button, and will off if you put off this button. And these are the two buttons in order to control the blood flow rate. And below this the blood flow rate there is this is for P1. This will monitor arterial pressure, and here a transducer. It is the transducer that is attached to this port P1. And below this P1 pressure monitor there is a roller pump that can be rotated also manually. This is the roller pump, and here is the sensor. If this gate is open, the pump will stop. This is the roller pump. And then here is a display for arterial pressure, venous pressure, and transmembrane pressure. Here it is alarm for air detector, and it is for blood leak. Below this you can see the conductivity monitor. Here are different ranges for conductivity, and in case of Fresenius hemodialysis care machine 4008 model, you can see we have range for 12.6 to 16 millisiemens per centimeter. And here is flow button. You can put on or off the flow from here. And here is this dial set menu, and there is ultrafiltration on and off button and ultrafiltration menu. Here it is the display of the Fresenius medical care 4008 hemodialysis machine. And right now the machine is on hot disinfection plus hot rinse maneuver. And below this is blood pressure BPM blood pressure monitor button. You can put the start or stop blood pressure. It's a menu. And if you see here it is a port for blood pressure monitor. It's a cuff in order to monitor the blood pressure, and it is the start or stop button. And below this there is this is the heparin infusion port. There is injector. You can put here the injector in order to do the continuous infusion of the heparin. You can set the rate of the heparin infusion by this pump. And here these are the cursors, and this is the escape key, this is the confirm key, this is the control key, and these are the different. It's the keyboard. You can set different values. It's the plus button, minus button. And here it is for P3. It can monitor the venous pressure, that is P3. And here it is venous chamber holder, venous occlusion chamber holder. And if you see inside there is a ultrasonic sensor. It can check the level of the blood here, and it can also detect any presence of air in the venous chamber. Below this there is a optical sensor. Here it is, optical sensor. If there is some air in the extracorporeal circuit, it will turn off the blood pump and the blood will not flow through the circuit. There is an optical detector. This will detect the presence of the blood and it will occlude the clamp. So below this there is the option for buy bag. It is for buy bag. If you can open this, you can see here you can see buy bag cover open, and if I shut it down, you can see. Okay, so it is for dry buy bag. If your bicarbonate is already prepared, you can use this. Here it is dialysate connectors. In case if you are not using the dry buy bag, you can use these connectors. These have specific color coding. One is for red and another is blue. The red is put into the part A, that is acidic part, and the blue is put into the part B, that the bicarbonate that you have prepared. And the dialysate will be prepared after mixing the product water with these concentrates. Here it is IV pole, and here you can see if someone have to take the sample of the dialysate, you can take the sample of the dialysate from here. Here it is shunt cover, and whenever we open this, the machine gives the alarms of the shunt cover is open. It has the two ports, dialysate ports, that is connected to the dialyzer. It has also specific color coding. And this was all about the front view of a Fresenius Medical Care hemodialysis machine, that is 4008S model. And this was the front view. Now I will show you the rear or back view of the Fresenius Medical Care hemodialysis machine 4008S model.